Hi! In the previous video, I outlined the advantages of using icons for Confluence by Presago and showed you how to use it. Now, let's see how to customize the icons. Once you have chosen the size and the shape of the icon, it's time to change its color. Here, you can choose from a set of predefined colors readily available to you. However, say you have a specific color in mind, for instance the color of your brand's palette. You can click on the color wheel, type in the hex color code, and have your icon match it. Once you've picked a color, you can choose your icon's fill. Of course, there's no order in which the changes must be made. You're free to modify your icons and emoji at your leisure. If you reckon your icon should be moved to a different section of your text, you can do it by pasting it elsewhere. And if you want to create a copy, just copy-paste it. If you're unhappy with how it looks, you can edit it and apply all the changes you deem necessary. Well, that's all we've got time for. Thanks for watching and see you next time.